This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first and foremost, launch the calendar application, then select the date that you would like to create an event for. Onwards, tap at the plus icon to your bottom right, choose the, fill out the event details such as its name or title, timeframes, location, your reminding preferences, or choose the time and date at which you would like to be reminded about this event. You can also set up for this event to be reoccurring or repetitive, so it can take place each day, week, month, or year. I'll let it be every 1 month. Then you can write some notes or description, add the link to the video conference, if there is any, of course, and invite some other meeting participants. Finally, you can change the color that this event will display at the calendar, and then do not forget to save the changes. And here's my event over here. Now by tapping on it, I can see the details and edit those details by tapping at the respective edit function, or delete the event entirely. And as you can see, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.